Stop what you are doing right now, because Apple is about to change the desktop game forever. You might think you know what a small computer can do, but the M5 Mac Mini is coming to prove us all wrong. Last month, we saw the M5 MacBooks arrive and set the world on fire. But the real power play is happening in June 2026. This isn't just a minor spec bump. This is a total rebirth of the world's most popular tiny desktop. If you have been waiting to upgrade your setup, the wait is officially over. We're talking about a machine that fits in the palm of your hand but packs more punch than a massive Windows tower. The heart of this beast is the brand new M5 chip. Apple has moved to a 3-nanometer process that makes everything else look like technology from the Stone Age. The standard M5 chip now features a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU. If you want to go pro, the M5 Pro model brings an insane 18-core CPU to the table. This means your computer will never freeze again. You can edit 4K video, render 3D models, and keep 50 browser tabs open without hearing a single fan noise. It runs completely silent and stays cool, while Intel-based PCs are burning up on your desk. The memory bandwidth has jumped to 153 gigabytes per second. That is a speed that Windows Mini PCs simply cannot touch at this price point. The biggest headline here is the AI power. We are living in an AI world now, and Apple knows it. The M5 chip is 4 times faster at AI tasks than the M4. Whether you're using AI to enhance photos, write code, or generate art, this machine handles it instantly. It is built for the future. And for everyone who hated Apple's stingy storage, listen to this. The base model finally kills off the 256 gigabytes drive. The M5 Mac Mini starts with a massive 512 gigabytes of storage. No more deleting files just to install a new app. You get double the space right out of the box. Let's talk about the design and the ports, because this is where the M5 Pro really shines. While it keeps the beautiful, compact silver box design we love, the connectivity is next level. You get 2 USB-C ports and a headphone jack right on the front for easy access. On the back, you have 3 more ports, HDMI, and Ethernet. But the secret weapon is Thunderbolt 5 on the M5 Pro models. This moves data at a blistering 120 gigabits per second. You can move massive 8K video files in a matter of seconds. Combine that with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6, and you have the most stable and fastest wireless connection ever put into a Mac Mini. Now, let's talk about the price and the Made in USA factor. Because the storage is doubling to 512 gigabytes, the price is moving to $699. Some might complain about the $100 increase, but getting double the storage and 4 times the AI performance is a steal. Plus, Apple is moving part of the production to Texas. Your new M5 might be built right here in the USA, which helps Apple keep shipping fast and efficient. This is the ultimate machine for creators, students, and office workers. If you have an M1 or M2, this is the upgrade you have been waiting for. It is faster, smarter, and more capable than anything else on the market. In my opinion, the M5 Mac Mini is the best value computer Apple has ever released. It bridges the gap between a basic home computer and a professional workstation perfectly. The jump to 512 gigabytes of storage as a base standard is the move we have all been begging for, and the Thunderbolt 5 support makes it future-proof for the next 5 years. If you want the most power for every dollar spent, this is the winner. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech. See you in the next one.